the end of this video, you're going to know why I'm never, ever, ever not going to love Nike. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I'm usually happy when I'm talking to you guys, but today I'm ecstatic, man. Yesterday, I received a UPS tracking saying that I'm getting something from the Nike campus mailroom. And I buy a lot of sneakers. So I was like, oh, it's maybe something I forgot about. I just won the JFG raffle, and I got a lot of stuff coming in. I was like, yo, man, I guess it is what it is. But then I started, like, narrowing it down. I'm like, my Jordan 1s here. They've been here. The bread's on the way. They not from Nike. I'm like, what could it be? And today, man, I love you, Nike. This big box came in the mail today after just receiving the tracking for it yesterday, man. So, let's go through it. Y'all family, so I don't mind y'all knowing, like, my first name. I received a letter here, and that's my name, guys, Kashim. Y'all say it with me. I'm Sneaker Notes, but that's what my mama named me, Kashim. And it's a Nike envelope, man. They got Nike's address, the campus joint right there. Take the tape off. My bad, this is like in there. And it's just a white card, right? And the card reads, Kashim with a Nike swoosh, what's up, Nike store. So I'm like, okay, what's up? Comes to the frame also, guys. Very dope. The frame is a tweet from me from February 21st, 2020. February 21st, 2012. And the tweet is there. I put the tweet up. And it's me saying, hey, Nike, what's up with Galaxy Foams? They actually printed my tweet out and put it in there, guys. Super crazy, man. So let's just do a little story time. 2012, February, I was at All-Star Weekend, Orlando, and I was hunting for Galaxy Foams. As soon as I got off the plane, I don't know if a lot of y'all remember Nike, Foot Action. Foot Action's not even around anymore. Foot Locker, you used to be able to go all three stores and get raffles from all three stores of the upcoming sneakers. A lot was coming out that week. Kobe's, KD's, LeBron's, but I had my hopes on them Galaxy Foam Posits. As you can see, this is a picture from my vacation. Y'all see I was foamed out, man. I was a foam head, man. And I went, did the raffle that morning, and later that night, I came back to the store to see if maybe my name got called, and it was a riot, guys. Police was in clear vests, helmets, all kind of stuff. Tear gas everywhere, man. It made the news, and I never received my Galaxy Foams. Forward back 13 years, and Nike blessed your boy. They remembered the pain and heartache I went through that night. Even though it was so long ago, it don't matter. A win is a win. So as you know, these are slated to drop tomorrow, guys. If you want them, I hope everybody get their pair. But man, shouts to Nike, man. Like, Nike, y'all forever in my good graces. Like, forever, man. To give someone a $200+ shoe for free, man. I know it don't seem like a lot because it's a big company like Nike, but this means something. Not only send me the shoe out the blue, remember my tweet from 2012, reply to my tweet. My tweet said, Nike, what's up with Galaxy phones? They replied back, well, what's up? Like, this is super dope, man. After I did get that Nike campus notification yesterday, I googled the address just to see, and they've been doing this for a lot of years, man. I don't know what took them so long to get to me, but I'm appreciative, man. Shout out to you, Nike, man. So it's just a quick video shouting out Nike. I finally got my Galaxy phones. This was a grail, guys. Even though I don't wear phones as much as I used to, this is a grail, man. So I'm gonna hit y'all with a full 4K review of this sneaker tomorrow. I'm just too ecstatic to do it today, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.